Hi everybody, this is Miss Lansbury, and today I'm going to show you how to make a recording of an assignment in SmartMusic. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to home.smartmusic.com. And I'd recommend bookmarking that so that you have it for every time we use it. Once you go to the website, you're going to log in with your username and password that you set up last week. You're going to see assignments due. Most of you will have 2 assignments due from me this week. One of them is hot cross buns, which yes, I know you all can play already, but it's just a practice assignment for you. And one is the actual assignment for the week. But the first thing I want you to do is explore the practice assignment. So you're going to start with hot cross buns. So click start. It's going to say select part. That wants to know what instrument you're playing. So today I'm playing flute. So I'm going to click flute. Okay. And it's going to load up SmartMusic for me. You're going to see some music that should look familiar to you. And here we go. Instructions for your assignment. There may be some instructions there. There will be things about rubric points, but I don't want you to worry about that right now. We're just going to learn to use the platform. All right, here we go. Hot cross buns. Couple of things you need to know. There's a menu bar right up here. This green arrow is to play the exercise. This is what you're going to use for practicing. So if you want to practice along with the accompaniment, you're going to click this. It'll play along with you. If you want to hear your instrument while you're practicing, you're going to come up here to My Part, and you're going to unmute the part for your instrument. That way, a demonstration of your instrument will play along with the recording as well. When you go to make a recording for me, though, you have to make sure that you mute that so I only hear you. Couple of things, this cursor right here, when it's on a note, if you click on that note, you're going to see they're really small. 2 little icons down here. This first one, if you don't know how to play a note, it will show you. And right now it's showing for flute, but it will show you the one for your instrument. And here it will play the sound for you. So if you don't know what the note sounds like, you can check it there. So I recommend you practice with the recording a couple of times. The metronome marking will be set, but if you need to make it slower, just minus it. But you will have to bring it back up to the original tempo to do the recording. When you're ready to record after you've practiced, you're going to use this red button right here. This is your record button. So I'm going to press it, and a couple of things are going to happen. First thing, we have to test our microphone. You are going to need headphones for your best result, so make sure you have your headphones close to you, but make sure they're not plugged in when you're doing your microphone test. So we're going to test our mic. Going to hear that little squealy sound. You're all set to go, but before you press start, plug your headphones back in and get ready to go, because once we hit start, we're going to play along with the recording. It's going to score you. If you get a note right, it's going to say it's green. If you get a note wrong, it's going to make it red. If you play it late, it's going to make it yellow and put it in the location of the rhythm that you played it in. So let's check it out. So you'll see that it liked a lot of what I did, but it didn't like this note here. Maybe I didn't hold it out for a full 2 beats, and maybe I didn't use a nice clear 2 on this note here. So it will show you the things that you don't do correctly. If you want to do it again, you can delete that take. Okay, you'll delete it, and then just try it again. You can do it over and over and over. When you're ready to submit it to me, you're going to use this blue arrow right here. So I'm going to submit this. And it's playing back exactly what I did. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to come up here, hit submit. And if I want to leave myself a comment, if you want to leave me a comment, you write it there and then just hit submit. And it's sending it now, and then I'll get it on my end and I'll be able to see that you did your work. Have fun playing around with SmartMusic. It's like a really cool video game, and I can't wait to hear all your excellent work. Bye!